Good day, everyone. Today we will discuss some philosophical ideas from Chinese and Indian philosophy. For our first question, is the philosophy of Indian and Chinese purely universal science? So to answer the question, the philosophy of Indian and Chinese philosophy are not purely universal science. If we go down to the context of how and what universal science means, it encompasses the science of universe that is based on absolute theoretical insights. Therefore, purely universal science means an inquiry that gives objective truth, a truth that gives an absolute value. Indian and Chinese philosophy did not follow this way because though they tried to give an emphasis to the nature of reality and humanity, their perspectives are deeply rooted by their culture, belief, and tradition. Therefore, the two philosophies are not universal science. For second question, are the Indian and Chinese philosophy a universal critique of everything, reality, and humanity? The answer is that Indian and Chinese philosophy is a universal critique of everything because both philosophy delves into the nature of reality and humanity. They both have philosophies and thought in terms of the philosophical basis and grounds, which is to understand the reality. However, it is good to note that this philosophy have their different tradition and their culture. So that is why they may be delve into the universal truth, but they vary in terms of their culture and beliefs. So for number three,
So, for number three, the question is: Do the Indian and Chinese philosophy, look at the truth and they articulate as the universal truth? So, the answer for that is that Indian and Chinese philosophy do not view that their philosophies as exclusive universal. They both recognize the truth and knowledge that can be dependent on various cultural and historical and also individual factors. And the question of number four is: Do the Indians and Chinese philosophy descriptive or perspective in reality? So the answer for that, uh, for the answer of number four is that Indian and Chinese philosophy can encompass both descriptive and perspective. It is important to look that while some aspects of the philosophies can be seen as universal and they influence by cultural and historical and also the religious factors. So those are the kinds of values of Indians and Chinese philosophy on how they view the descriptive and perspective.
I think that did well for our discussion. Thank you, Lawrence.
Thank you, RJ.